Here's the most symmetric trade you can find in the market for the week of April. As you can already see, we have the chart of Palantir, and the trade I'm going to show you is with more than 1000% return on your investment. We're going to draw some obvious line of supports here, but before we get into more details, please keep in mind it's the first video in the channel, hopefully many more to come. And the setup is still being tested, so if you have any objections, you can leave them in the comments so we can hack the algorithm. Okay, so the first thing you can spot is the volume with which the TAR has been recently testing the 30 area, which used to be also some area for and resistance back in the time. And usually what you can see is that 2 weeks ago this has been tested for around the levels where we are currently trading 150 zone. So we've managed to go to the 130 level for just 2 days here, which been Wednesday and Thursday, and as the day of recording today is 22nd of April, so it's again Wednesday. So what we expect to happen maybe is to test the 130 zone area again until the end of the week. We also see another test at this zone here, also being Wednesday and Thursday, couple of months ago, actually, end of February. And before more waste of time, I'm going to walk you through the trade. To have such asymmetric return, maybe you already know that we are going to talk about options. And the zone of interest for us is the 140. 140 zone, which I've been looking at yesterday, but it was still a bit expensive. But today it's an absolute beast, and you can even trade it for 1 to 20 risk reward. The broker I'm currently using is Interactive Brokers. The zone that we set again was 140. So they're currently trading around 44 cents, where is the ask price. And to illustrate the risk reward, I have prepared this quick swipe, which I prepared yesterday because I thought that I'm going to record before market open. You can see the pre-market was around 150 and the put I was expecting to be around 60 cents, but and the risk reward was around 15 to 1, but now it's even better. It's more than 20 because the 140 put would cost around $10, which is around $1,000 at the level 130. And which currently costs 40 cents is going to be a little more than 1 to 25 risk reward ratio. We also saw that it happened 2 times back in the time here, just 2 days again, Wednesday and Thursday. End of February again, it happened mid of February, actually, just for 2 days around this zone. So we can confident say that the chance of success for this trade would be around 30 to 40%. But again, with the payoff, which is more than 20 to 1, it's absolutely justified. And another interesting thing that I have prepared for you is over here using Tizonax. And the pattern we are looking at is from 3rd of May to 8th of May for just 5 days over 5 years period. Sorry, 5 years. And you can see the pattern for these years. 4 of them are losers, with just 1 of them being a winner. The average loss has been 15% for this. Again, it's around a week. For 5 with max drop, we can see in each of them being around it's the diapason between 10 to almost 30%. So what we are searching for here is around 13% for 2 days, which is pretty doable, as I believe. Let's see where the options are trading at right now. They're going for 40 cents. And we are going to get some, as they say, walk the talk. And maybe we can get them somewhere in between 40, 43. Oops. We're at the bid price, so if we slightly increase them, we'll get filled probably. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Again, this is a highly asymmetric trade. It's not a suggestion to invest. You carry your own risk. Do your own research. Do not trade blindly on someone advices. It will make part with update if this idea goes in our direction maybe tomorrow. But again, this is the first video of many to come, and it's highly asymmetric trade, maybe 30% chance of success. But even if you have 10% chance of success for something like this happening, and if you have crazy risk reward ratio like we already have here, like 1 to 20 or even 1 to 15, you should be profitable in the long run. And that's how you should look at trading. Thanks again, guys, and leave your comments, leave your thoughts, like the video, and subscribe.